be decided upon arrival. Inmates 50-A through 50-E are now on a 10-minute break.
Have a good break, bro. I'm gonna see you in like 30. Alright, see you later. Hey, when are they gonna service? Hey man, you going to Jeremy's birthday?
To all inmates, please ensure you are back in your cell by the end of your 10-minute break.
Yo, you hear that window break on 50A?
No. What happened?
There was an alert. Whoever's in that cell just got released for break.
That sounds, like, actually concerning. Shouldn't we be chasing, like, after them?
Yeah, I mean, the break room's a little close to the reactor in here, but
It's through some vents or whatever, so that should be fine.
yeah. Hey, what are we talking about, guys?
What do you want?
Get out of here. Dude, what do you want? Who are you? Yo, Mr. Scientist guy.
Yes?
I know this is our job, but apparently there's been a breach in the building.
When isn't there?
I feel like this reactor thing that you're so obsessed over could wait, but I feel like it's a little dangerous that there's an intruder in the building.
What? Security! Wait! Get off of me! Will you calm down? What? Huh? Oh. I'm guessing you probably want to shut that thing down. Honestly, I hate my job, so whatever. The reactor is mainly composed of 3 sectors. You are in communications. Those 2 little things on either side are airlocks. They should let you pass to the other sectors. Unfortunately, you'll need a key card, but there's probably one lying around here anyway. Oh, I wouldn't recommend the left bridge. It collapsed during a recent test. The coolant sector is lightly guarded, so it shouldn't be much of an issue. Your job here is to redirect power and shut down the aerators. This should trip our emergency systems and send an evacuation tram your way. That tram should take you to the turbine sector. I'm not over there much, but I rarely see anyone come in and out. You'll need to overload the turbines. High power and no coolant isn't great for the reactor. I don't know what they use to power that thing, but it's pretty sensitive. I'd put in my 2 weeks, but I'm not sure there's gonna be an HR by the time you're done. Peace.
Yo, freeze! Oh, he's probably sleeping or something. What are you doing here? Put your hands up! Dude, today's my Hey, I spotted them! Hey, you stop where you are! Where do you think you're going?
Manual override of coolant power to tram initiated. Manual override of aerator system initiated. Attention! Coolant systems catastrophic failure detected. Please evacuate to the nearest tram. Please keep your hands, feet, and all of your personal belongings inside the tram. Attention! Code Red.